In the wake of ex-tropical cyclone Alfred, with another heavy dumping of rain through the Scenic Rim and right across southeast Queensland, here comes more rafting fire ants. You can see there's winged elates in that pile, reproductive ants. There'll be a queen in the middle, protected by all the workers. A full colony ready to just make another nest as soon as they find higher ground. There's piles of them everywhere, floating through the waterway, heading to the Logan River. There's another one there. I can't reach them all. You can see the ants moving the eggs around in the pile, trying to get them in the middle to protect them, clinging on to anything they can just to stay afloat until the water recedes and they can make a new nest. It's just a boiling little pile of fire ants. Pretty amazing creatures, really, if they weren't so destructive. So I'm near the crossover pipe at the moment, which flows underneath my driveway. It's about an 800mm pipe, and the dam's completely full and overflowing the driveway. So there's a vortex, and you can see how buoyant those ants are. They can still float even though that's trying to pull them down through the pipe. They just grab onto anything they can find. I wonder how many have floated through overnight. But they've managed to hold on. It looks like they're just going to cling on there and hope the water goes down. Here's a little pile. We'll see if it goes down. Okay, so it's been sucked down through the pipe. It'd be interesting to see whether it just pops up on the other side and they can survive that. There's so much water flowing at the moment, I wouldn't be able to see them. It's really disheartening to see this over and over again.